Hello guys, welcome to today's exciting video. So in this video today, I'm going to show you folks how you can make money online with Likee app. So with Likee app, you can earn money streaming online on Likee app. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So do follow me on this video to see how you can make money on this Likee app. By the way, my name is Abakar, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find out this video very interesting. So let's go straight ahead to Likee app and let's get it done. Google Play Store and download the Likee app. Like I told you guys, with this Likee app you can stream live and you can earn money from it. 210 beans you get, it will be converted to $1. So imagine you get a lot of beans. Do you know how much you can earn from that? So let's go and download the Likee app. Let me show you how it works. So this is the Likee app. I've already installed it, so I'm just going to open it. I'm going to open the Likee app. So this is the Likee app. These are the videos that people did. So we are going to live to see how it works. So let me first show you how the conversion is done. So once you download the Likee app, if you don't have account with them, you go and sign up. After you sign up, then you go to your wallet. So if you go to wallet, you go to beans. So the more beans you get, the more money that you can get. For every 210 beans, you earn $1 for it. So imagine you having a lot of beans. Do you know how much you can get from it? So go to beans. We'll see the conversion rate. So this is it. Like I told you guys, for every 210 beans you get will be converted to $1 for you. So these are the terms. The cash out rules. You need at least 4,200 beans to submit a cash out request. The cash out amount must not exceed 1 million beans. You can only cash out once a week. A single cash out that exceeds $1,000 will require 25 to 30 working days to process. So like I told you guys before, for every 210 beans you get will be converted to $1. So you have to have at least 4,000 for exchange reward. You have to have at least 4,200 beans before you can exchange rewards. So let's go and check the streaming of other folks online. Let's see how much they can probably get from their streaming. So let's check the streaming.
Sorry?
Are you coming back?
Yeah, I'll come back. I know you're here for the next 5 hours. You'll be here, right?
Maybe. For the next 5 hours. God.
I'll still be here.
I will not stay that much today. I'm stressed. I will just stay for a while.
Yeah, I know you.
Because if you
You stream for a very long time, so I will definitely get you here.
every 210
Please just check your DM now. Check your DM. Check your DM and
from
DM me on WhatsApp. Check your Likee DM.
All right.
Check your Likee DM. You DM me on WhatsApp. Okay.
working with this Likee app, and you can stream live, and you can earn money from your streaming by getting beans. So I hope you enjoy this video, this amazing video. I hope you subscribe and share my YouTube channel to get updated on my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you and goodbye.